Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Style. Beautiful people, you all are welcome again to this channel. Short hairstyles lives here, and we are here with the best haircut that are suitable for beautiful matured women. So if you're looking for styles that will make you impeccable, you want that style that will turn eyes in every occasion, or you want a kind of haircut that will make you stand out in that red carpet event, you are in the right place. Just pick up your popcorn, and watch this video to the end. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you all. God bless you guys. Take a good look on this haircut. This haircut is speaking class, So if you really want that classy look that will always want to motivate others around you to go for that big chop, go for the style. Or you're planning to go for that big chop, but you don't know the particular style to start with. I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end, because there are many style options for you to choose from. And we have haircut like the tapered haircut, which I've talked about. Tapered haircut is one making the two sides shorter and leaving some hair on top. We have the pixie, like the pixie is leaving some strands of hair also on top and leaving the two sides shorter. Sometimes you bring the hair, sometimes to your front hair, to your front hair, so that it come to your face, And we have also the teeny weeny afro, which is around and hair with the same sizes and length. And we also have the shaved haircut. Shaved haircut is like body. Like for those women that love the bags to no hair, is also another good hair that takes many years off your age. Sometimes those women that are suffering from alopecia or maybe have this extreme thin hair, they are the ones that can go for this particular haircut. So this haircut today, we are featuring this particular haircut today, and it's a style you can choose from depending on the choices you want, and you can style them yourself at home. I've already talked about how you can style your hair at home. Check out of my videos for my DIYs on how you can style your hair right in your house without breaking the bank, and it will help you to minimize the heat powder that I use out there in the salon, because sometimes when you do it at home you have to air dry, without using the heat powders or all those diffusers and the rest, or you use this air dry to always just to air dry your hair and you are good to go. Just leaving your hair latest 1 hour to 2 hours. If you have the very thin hair, highest you have is just 45 minutes and your hair is dried. Like for those that just have the normal thin hair, latest 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes your hair is dried. Then if you're the one that have thick hair, sometimes 2 hours to 3 hours and your hair is dried and you are good to go. So you can also use some other products, like I've talked about the Mayo kit, I've talked about the Dogs kit, I've talked about the coil cells, I've talked about the kits and coils, which is step the baba product. And I want to talk about the Carver's Daughter. Carver's Daughter is another good product. Most times I got introduced to that product through Pukot. Pukot is a barber that is based in Trinidad, Tobago, and I noticed that he's the ambassador for Carver's Daughter, and I've seen him use it severely on women, and that was how I was like, yeah, let me try it myself. And I noticed that product is a good product for women that want to find coils on their hair. That's a product, the Carver's Daughter. You can check it online, and you can also get it in any local shop. If you're just ask about the Carver's Daughter, and you can get this product near you. And I think it's also, because all of them I think are all within the range of $4 to $20. That's not one thing about short hair style. It's really a low maintenance style, but the best way you can maintain your short hair is when you have those products with you there at home, and you can style yourself. So this product will always help you to give you this look that someone outside or having this long hair with waves will always want to admire you and really want to go for that kind of hairstyle you have. So guys, I would like you guys to watch this video to the end. I love this haircut. It's so beautiful, it's so simple, and you can see it for yourself. It's really an easy and unique haircut that are lovely for beautiful, classy women. So let me know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate you watching me right now. Watch this video to the end and give me that thumbs up video, and let's take Wendy Styles please to 100,000 subscribers. God bless you guys and see you guys